Back downstairs after coming dead last 2 weeks in a row, Sarah is fuming after seeing their neighbour's guest bedroom. And she wants to let her fellow frequent flyers know all about her feelings.
That's what that is.
Hey, Sarah, your room is beautiful.
Babe, I'm not going to say anything bad about your room. Your room was amazing. They hammered us
We're not
for
having
not having feet on our bed, and you guys don't
did
have
the same
feet.
just to sort of level things up nicer.
With the legs on, the bedside tables were like down here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it just made no sense. So we ripped them off at the last minute.
I just feel like it's a personal attack on me. Like, why are the judges picking everything on me when, you know, other contestants are doing the exact same thing and they...
Still getting better points.
Yeah.
When I walked out, I was like, this is they're telling us that we don't have feet on our bed, but then, you know...
They didn't say that about
They
your
didn't
room,
say
though.
anything about your room. And the reason we did the exact same thing, it was because of the mattress topper. Exact same thing.
It's like they're looking for things in our room to just critique, whereas if you put a few fluffy cushions and a nice fluffy doona in there that wins them rooms, it's completely unfair.
I can't see how we came last. It just doesn't make sense.
But it wasn't just last, it was a slaughtering. There's a gun range and we're the targets. What a load of horse.